Alright guys, right now we're cleaning the FNS cartridge filter. It has a variable speed pump, so the service mode won't always work, so we just killed the power, so there's no way it's going to turn back on. What we did was turn off the system, make sure it won't turn on, and then open this air relief valve so that the water drains down. Okay, and then we're just going to take this off. This is called the tank band. And this needs to be taken off. Band off, alright, you take the tank band off and you just set it down like so. And grab and lift. Set somewhere responsible. Okay. There's your filter. You're just gonna take this off and then pull these out. Clean them. Yep. Alright, so your tank band's off. Your filter elements are laid out as so. And there's still some water in there you want to get out, so you gotta take this drain plug off, which is hard one-handed. Alright, then you're gonna spray off your filter. I do it by section, you just want to get them white. Alright, so you got these cleaned off. Now you gotta get all this sand out of here, Alright, once they're all sprayed off, just put it back together. Take the lid, put it out, make sure the nozzle right here is facing away from all this electrical stuff, Alright, so you get the filter back together, and since you hit these breakers, you just want to turn them back on. Alright, so I put in timeout. I'm going to click the filter pump. Start this bad boy. So it's closed right now. Once that pressure gets to about 10, that's when I like to open it. Filter pressure good. Alright. Good pressure. I swapped it back to auto. Look for, leaks around the tank band. Look for this, see that's dripping. Looking good though. The fountain's back at chest. And grab your stuff and go.